First of all, just going to brush on a coat of the antiquing gel in any random way. Nothing particular about that. This product is the easiest to work with. We're also going to use the True Applicator Sponge, this little product right here. It's available on our website right now. We have a lot of them, and they're in a 2-pack for $7.99. And this is give it a little bit of a barnwood look and add some interest to this contemporary door. You can go up and down and just keep working it until you get it where you want it. You can also go back into this product for up to about 12 hours. You can remove more with a rag. You can do just keep switching your sponge around. I want to put light and dark variations in this paint. Got to worry about keeping your lines straight. That's really the only thing you need to worry about, is making it look real. And again, I want it to be kind of just some contemporary interest to this door. And if I kind of push on it a little bit more, get some lighter bands, and that's exactly what I want to create here. Anyway, this product is so easy to work with. And if I don't like what I've done, I can totally remove this. Use a little water bottle, use a rag, totally take it off. So that's what's beautiful about it. And if I take off too much, just go back and add some more. Just however, or whatever I need to do to manipulate it. As you can see, I went with a grain. On the drawer fronts, I went with the opposite grain. Again, just trying to add some cute detail to these doors and to make them interesting. They're just old builder grade slab doors right now. If you take off more and you get back and look at it and you have to make it match more or less, you can just add it back with a brush. Super, super easy. So, I think it's really gorgeous. I love it. So nice chrome pulls we're going to add back to the cabinets just to dress them up a little bit. Just like the door here. You can see this one is side by side. Just finished those. If you're going to use the all-in-one paint products, make sure to get yourself some of the antiquing gel. It's a great product, and I think you'll enjoy using it on all your projects. Have a great day.